Activity 2. Relation between speed and distance. 4 students in grade 8 participated in a running race at their school as shown in figure 2. The students had to cover a total distance of 100 meters during the race. After 1 minute from the starting instant passed, the distance covered by each of the competitors was recorded in the following table. Ali covered 32 meters during 1 minute, Ahmad 30 meters during 1 minute, Amani 35 meters during 1 minute, and Adam 28 meters during 1 minute. Arrange the distances covered during the first minute in decreasing order. This means from the greatest to the least. 35 meters greater than 32 meters greater than 30 meters greater than 28 meters. Fill in the following table with the expected rank for each one of them. So because Amani covered the greatest distance during the same time, however, Adam covered the least distance during the same time, which is 1 minute, we expect that Amani wins the first rank, Ali second, Ahmad third, and Adam fourth. So as the distance covered during the same time decreases, the rank decreases. Calculate the speed of each of the students. Of course, here is the average speed because we are going to consider total time during a certain total distance, during a certain interval of time. So average for Ali is 32 meters over 1 minute. We multiply by 60 to convert it to seconds because each minute is equivalent to 60 seconds, and we obtain the following values for all. So for Ali 0.53, for Ahmad 0.5, 0.58 for Amani, and 0.46 for Adam. So it's necessary that we take more than one digit after the decimal point because they're almost close to each other so that we are able to compare them. Now arrange the competitors in decreasing order of speed. So the highest speed is for Amani 0.58 meters per second, then comes 0.53, then 0.5, and finally 0.46 for Adam. Now, application 1. Given a bus travels a distance of 240 kilometers during 3 hours, total distance, total time, d over delta t, 240 over 3, so it's 80 kilometers per hour. It's necessary to write the units. Now the bus travels a distance of 360 kilometers at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So we're given the distance and the speed. We should calculate the time. So this referring to this original formula v equal d over delta t, we can say that delta t over 1 is d over v. So delta t is equal to d over v as shown here, and the result is 6 hours. Finally, a bus travels at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour during 4 hours. So we're given the speed and the time. We need now to calculate the distance during this time. So by doing a cross multiplication in the original formula, we get that d times 1 is d equal the average times delta t. So 70 kilometers per hour times 4 is equal to 280 kilometers.